First video of the year. Whew, boy, 2018 is come and gone. That's another one in the books. Hopefully you guys had a good 2018. You know, I had a pretty good 2018. I hope you guys had the same. But if you didn't, then you're in luck because you have 2019 to make it happen. So, you know, let's work on that. I just wanted to make this video to just quickly update you guys on what we're going to be doing here on this channel this year. First of all, our upload schedule was pretty unpredictable last year. This year we're going to try to make it one video per week. I know that's not much, but that is better than we did last year. I know most YouTube creators, content creators, they post 2 to 3 times a week. Some even post 6 and 7 times a week, but with our schedule we're going to try to do it at least once a week, so you could look for that. 2019 is here, and we plan to do a lot of awesome things this year. You can expect tutorials, hacks, tips and tricks, all those things in the IT field, and let's see how it goes. Hopefully it goes well. We'll see how you guys respond, so always hit down in the comment section. Let me know if these type of videos would be helping you guys. What we learned last year from our viewers was that a lot of people they come to YouTube looking for these solutions, so we want to be able to provide those solutions to you guys. Just like in the past, in the IT field, when I first started out, I came to YouTube to find all the solutions. I had no one else to turn to, so I always went to YouTube to see if I could find a solution for an issue, and some professional somewhere always posted something. I just thank you guys for that. But now it's my turn to do the same. So any issues that I find and I find a solution to, I always try to post. So this year we're going to do that. We're going to hit that hard and try to get that done more often. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, I would suggest that you click the subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so you can get those videos as they are rolled out every week. So yeah, 2019 is here. Let's make it happen. This is the first video of the year, and it's just a video. I just want to update you guys so you know what to expect of this channel this year. And I just thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.